What's going on, B Nation? Hope you guys are doing wonderful. We're out here, the great outdoors. It's so nice. It's summer. Summer is here. And today I want to talk about alkaline diet and why it is so important to eat more alkaline foods. So back to chemistry. If you've taken any chemistry courses, you know that there's two sides to chemistry: acids and base, or alkaline. And even if you've never taken chemistry, it's very easy just to understand those two principles. There's two sides to chemistry. On the acid side, you're going to find your nitrogens, your sulfurs. On the alkaline side, you're going to find your calcium, potassium. And that's also where your fruits and vegetables fall on. We're talking about high potassium foods, high calcium rich foods like oranges, apples, berries. These foods are also high in electromagnetic energy. So we're talking about physics and chemistry. We're also talking about cause and effect. And what you do every day has an effect. What you put in your body every day will have an effect. Back in 1931, Dr. Otto Warburg, physicist, also very knowledgeable in physiology, found that cancer cannot survive in an oxygenated alkaline environment. And he won a Nobel Prize for this. It's amazing work. But what I found is really this is not new knowledge. Even Hippocrates back in 500 BC found that, let your food be your medicine. And we're talking about natural approaches. And that's what nature's all about. Nature is about physics and chemistry. And Mother Nature has provided the best chemistry in whole form, right off the trees, right off the plants, right off the vine. Grapes, whole form. So your alkaline foods are going to be foods like cucumbers, leafy greens, your fruits like your berries, your grapes, lemons, watermelon. And some will say, well, lemons, they're actually acidic. But we're looking at these foods after they're metabolized in the body, the ash that's left behind. So lemons actually leave an alkaline ash. So I love to just start my morning off with having some lemon water. Just squeeze half a lemon in your water and drink that throughout the day. Very alkalizing on the body. And for me, with wanting to get ovarian cysts out, upping up my alkaline foods was a must. Even with my skin cancer. Bringing in fruits, particularly fruits, are hydrating. Lots of water. So some may say stay away from fruit because it has too much sugar. When in all reality, fruit actually has a lot of water. Even look at a watermelon, 92% water. And we need that little bit of sugar to give us energy, to fuel us. So many of us may not have enough energy throughout the day, and we're wondering, why so many of us are turning towards stimulants like coffees and even energy drinks full of caffeine, which wreaks havoc on our adrenal glands. So we really want to make sure we're getting our energy from foods, living foods, hit from the sun. That's the energy that our body is craving for, you guys. Lots of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants in the fruits. We're talking about blackberries, strawberries, and you combine it with leafy greens, which have lots of minerals, magnesium. We're talking about chlorophyll, really good for the blood, really good oxygen for the blood. Oxygen is also really important, right? So getting out and moving the body, moving our physical body, and oxygen is also found in your fruits and vegetables. H2O, right? 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. We're talking about high water content foods. So alkaline body is really important. Even doctors like Dr.Sebi, who has thousands of cases that he's actually healed, that he's cured, even HIV. Now these cases, there's all sorts of reasons why this has been covered up. and why it's hard to find some of the videos from Dr.Sebi. Even Dr. Morse, phenomenal if you want to search him on YouTube, talking about taking out acids out of the body and moving the lymphatic system. There's also two main fluids of the human body, your blood and your lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system is 75% fluid in your body, and there's no pump. We have to pump the lymphatic system ourselves. Our heart is the pump for our blood, but the lymphatic system we actually have to pump ourselves. So we have to get moving. We have to sweat our skin. We got to open up our kidneys. Opening up the kidneys is essential, you guys. Right on top of the kidneys is the adrenal glands. Those two are one of the major glands that's hit in our world today. And there's so much stress, so we have to find a way to release this stress. So I find nature is wonderful. I had a very stressful job, really hit hard on my adrenal glands, so I'm working on that with the herbs and just bringing in raw living foods as much as possible. That's really going to help the glands, really going to bring nutrition and cleanse the body from a lot of acids that we may have accumulated. Over the years, I drank lots of alcohol, lots of fast food. These are very acid-forming foods cooked at high temperatures. So we're looking at eliminating that now and bringing in more oxygen, hydrating, rich foods. And this is not new information. This has actually been around for eons, and we all have the answers within ourselves. We just have to tap into that, and the raw living foods can help us eliminate a lot of negative thoughts, eliminate a lot of physical waste that we've been carrying around, and eliminate a lot of emotions as well. So detox can be an emotional roller coaster, but you just have to hang on and just enjoy the ride, enjoy the process. There's gonna be ups, there's gonna be downs, all needed to get release and eliminate. This is what it's all about, you guys. Releasing and eliminate and hydrating the body, giving it fresh juices, lots of fruits, vegetables, and playing in nature, having a good time, breathing in oxygen, getting outdoors, you guys. Get outdoors, lay in the lake, lay in the grass, connect with Mother Nature, and we'll all be rising together. Thanks so much for watching. As always, be alkaline, be your beautiful selves, and be getting in some alkaline foods today. Cheers.